Today, I'll show you how to delete a Jotform form step by step so you can quickly clean up any forms you no longer need without accidentally removing the wrong thing. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly, starting from the moment you open your browser. Even though the actual task is simple, it's important to understand what you're clicking and why, especially if you manage a lot of forms or share an account with a team. First, open your preferred web browser and go to jotform.com. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your Jotform account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your forms and navigation options. On the left-hand side of the Jotform dashboard, look for the section that lets you organize or filter your forms. Here you'll see an option labeled All. Click on All in the left panel. This is important because it ensures you're viewing every form in your account, not just a specific folder or a filtered view. If you've organized your forms into folders, or if you've recently archived something, the All view gives you a complete picture of everything that's currently active or available. Once you've clicked All, the main area of the page will display a list of your forms. This list may appear in a table or card layout depending on your settings, but the idea is the same. You'll see the names of your forms, along with details like submission counts and modification dates. Take a moment to carefully locate the form you want to delete. Double check the form title to be sure it's the correct one, especially if you use similar names for different forms like multiple versions of a contact form or survey. When you've found the form you want to remove, click on it to select it. Depending on how your interface is set up, this might mean clicking a checkbox next to the form name or simply clicking the form row or card itself so it becomes highlighted. The key is to make sure that Jotform understands which exact form you intend to act on. If needed, you can open the form in another tab first to confirm it's the right one, then come back to the main list to proceed. With the form selected, look for the delete option. This may appear as a trash can icon, a more menu with a delete option inside, or a visible delete button near the top or side of the list. Click delete. Jotform may show you a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this form. Take a second to confirm once again that this is the correct form and then approve the deletion. After you click delete and confirm, the form will be removed from your main list. In many cases, deleted forms first move to a trash or archive area before being permanently removed. So if you delete something by mistake, you may still be able to recover it within a certain time frame by checking the trash section in the sidebar. And that's it. You've gone to jotform.com, clicked All on the left to see every form, selected the form you no longer need, and clicked delete to remove it.